Good morning, my friends and relatives. Navajo man. If I sound a little weird, or if I'm walking a little sideways, or I'm about to collapse, don't worry. It's not my A1C. My A1C is great. I checked it early this morning when I woke up. I'm healthier than ever. But it's because of my bun. I got my bun a little too tight back here, so I don't know why I did it. Gas prices have been on the rise lately, and I lost my sheeps a couple days ago, so bear with me. We'll get through this video together, and I promise you. So I'm going to teach you a couple of words that I use on the daily. I'll try to teach you the best way that I can, and hopefully you get something out of it. I'll try to do a couple more videos like this, so stay tuned, hit that like button, subscribe, and we will jump right into it. Can't, which means let's go. Can't. Ahwe ashle. Ahwe ashle means I am making coffee. I am making coffee. Ahwe ashle. So ashle means, let me go break it down for you. Ahwe means coffee. Ahwe. Alright? Not away, but ahwe. You gotta say it just like that. Because if you say it like away, that you're talking about a baby. You want to make a baby. I know some of you guys are really like that, but try to get a hold of yourself, you know? So try to make coffee. Ahwe ashle. So yeah, that's how you say it. Ahwe ashle. So ashle means you're making, you're telling somebody you're gonna make it, you're making it. Come on, make it, make it, make it. All right, ashle. So we'll say it together. Ahwe ashle. So for example, okay, I come into the kitchen, nothing in here, and then I say, babe, honey, and she says, what? Ahwe ashle. I'm gonna make coffee. I am making coffee. And she'll reply, okay, oh, biga. You don't need to learn that part, sorry. But just focus on what I'm teaching you. Ahwe ashle. I am making coffee. Sorry, got my mic right here. All right, ahwe ashle biga. All right, let's move on to the next segment. Now, next one is a little bit longer, but I'm gonna put it all right here for you guys to learn, and we will say it together. So the next one I usually say is abinako da'adaniki ashle, which means I am making a breakfast. Okay, abinako da'adaniki ashle. Once again, you see ashle in there, which means you are what? Making, exactly. So da'adaniki, abinako means morning, the morning dawn, the morning sun, morning time. Okay, abinako, da'adaniki, which means basically breakfast, which is, you know, food, some to consume, to digest, to eat. So abinako da'adaniki ashle. So I am making breakfast. So again, abinako da'adaniki ashle. One more time again. Abinako da'adaniki ashle. Okay, you're making breakfast. I am gonna make breakfast. Okay, next segment we're gonna do is all right, example. I got my bacon out for example. Okay, so I'm telling everybody I'm gonna cook, and then I usually say, for example, I'm not gonna teach you guys the food names in Navajo because that's a whole different training or another video I have to make. So I'm just gonna say this in English. In Navajo, this is beso de bitsin, bacon, pig meat, beso de bitsin. But anyways, you can learn that some other time. I'm just gonna say this in English. So I'm gonna say bacon yistes. Yistes means you are cooking. That's a present. That's is that a present tense? Is a present that's like right now. You are cooking it right now. So pesote, bacon Yistes. In Navajo, besote bitsen. Yistes. Okay, so you say it like that. I'm gonna say it in English again. A bacon yistes. So this right here, bacon yistes. Biga, good. Thumbs up. Easy. Bueno. Okay. Now for our last word to finish it off is if, like, when you're done and I want to share, I want to ask you if you want some. Shaish ninzin. Shaish ninzin. So that means, do you want some? Shaish ninzin. So that's going to be it for the end of this video. If you guys want more, like and subscribe, and don't forget to share. I'm going to come up with more words to say that I use on the daily. So hopefully it helps out somebody. And if you're trying to learn, or if you're already learning, yeah, try to encourage others to learn how to speak the language. So as the nah, thank you very much. That's all I gotta say. Hagonnet. We'll see you later. Till next time.